Okay. Those are the shoes that he wants. And he got mad because I was putting them back in the box so we could take them home. I'm tempted to not get him nothing the way he's acting. You better stop. Give me that. Give me. I'm going to put it back in the box so we can take it home. Okay. Stop. Stop, boy. Here, you can have them, but you can't wear them out the store. Stop. You want these instead? Huh? You want these? Look, it's boots. You want some boots? No, wait. Leave those alone for right now. You don't want these? Okay. We're getting them. Shh. And you would want the most expensive ones they got too. Now come on.